In a plastic tent.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, western Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marshall and moving north at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Columbus around 6 p.m., Fall River around 6:05 p.m., Randolph and Cambria around 6:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Danville, Doylestown, Pastico, and Friesland. For your protection, move to an interior room